Huawei could be just weeks away from releasing a trio of new phones, and various leaked images have possibly given us a closer look at all of them. While names are yet to be confirmed, it's likely that the main flagship will be the Huawei P20, and it seemingly appeared in several case renders shared by /leaks, showing a triple lens camera on the back and a dual LED flash. Earlier leaks have also shown a 3-lens camera, so this may be accurate. We say that's the Huawei P20, but it's not totally clear, as in a separate leak the site has posted images of a phone with just a dual-lens camera, but with an iPhone X-like notch at the top of the display, so one of these is likely the P20 while the other is probably the Huawei P20 Plus, or whatever it launches as. This isn't the first time we've seen evidence of a notch, so there's a good chance one of the models will indeed have one, we're just not certain which yet. And there's also a third phone pictured, also with a dual-lens camera, but no obvious notch, and with a fingerprint scanner on the back, which the other two don't appear to have. We're assuming this is the Huawei P20 Lite. It's worth noting that as always these leaks could be inaccurate. They look like they're probably genuine case-maker renders, but it's possible that they're based on rumors rather than facts. We should know soon though, as one or more of these phones will probably land at MWC 2018, which kicks off at the end of February. Don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching.